Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our channel. Today is the 2nd of September, and on this day in 1859, an amazing and rare event took place. We are diving into a fascinating topic that both fascinates and alarms scholars and historians, the Carrington Event. Join us on our journey as we explore the history of this unprecedented solar storm and speculate what would have happened if it had happened in our time. My name is Nick, and I'm your host. Let's solve mysteries together. So let's go.
The Carrington Event, also known as the Solar Storm of 1859, was a colossal solar flare that erupted from the Sun and propelled a massive coronal mass ejection towards Earth. The ejection reached our planet in a jaw-dropping 17.6 hours, setting off a series of unprecedented events. To truly grasp the magnitude of this event, let's rewind and explore its historical context. In the mid-19th century, the world was rapidly transforming through technological advancements. Telegraph lines crisscrossed the globe, connecting people like never before. It was during this burgeoning era that the Carrington Event unfolded. On September 1st, 1859, British astronomer Richard Carrington witnessed an enormous solar flare through his telescope. Little did he know that this mesmerizing sight would have unimaginable consequences. The solar flare unleashed by the Carrington Event emitted a colossal amount of charged particles towards Earth. When the storm eventually collided with our planet's magnetic field, it sparked a cosmic ballet of lights, creating breathtaking auroras visible as far south as the Caribbean and even Australia. The spectacle awed observers worldwide, but was only the beginning of the Carrington Event's true power. In an era so reliant on telegraph communication, the Carrington Event wreaked havoc on the global communications infrastructure. Telegraph lines across the world spontaneously burst into flame, shocking telegraph operators and causing widespread confusion. Messages were exchanged even after disconnecting power to the lines, as the residual energy in the atmosphere acted as an eerie conductor. The event demonstrated just how vulnerable our technological systems are to the whims of our sun.
If you are interested in important historical events, the best inexpensive gift for your loved ones is a personalized scrapbook of all the events that happened on their birthday. Buy from the link below or in the description. And don't thank me.
Now, you may be wondering, what would happen if the Carrington Event were to occur in our modern era? Brace yourself, for the consequences could be cataclysmic. Our modern world is heavily reliant on delicate electronics, from power grids to GPS satellites and communication networks. A Carrington-like event could potentially cripple these systems, plunging entire cities or even nations into darkness for months. It is imperative that we acknowledge the potential severity of a Carrington-type event and take steps to prepare ourselves. As individuals, we should consider stockpiling essential supplies and establishing secondary means of communication. Governments and power companies must invest in hardening our infrastructure against such solar events, ensuring our safety and continuity. The Carrington Event was a stunning display of nature's raw power and a stark reminder of the fragility of our technological society. As we advance ever deeper into the digital age, we must tread carefully, knowing that our sun holds immense potential to disrupt our daily lives. So, my friends, let us learn from history and prepare ourselves for the unpredictable, for only then can we hope to weather the storm, whether it be solar or otherwise.
Thank you for joining us today. If this topic struck a chord within you, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and stay resilient. Bye!